What's up YouTube? Just here, coming at you with a different kind of video. This time we're going to be doing a recipe to get into the spirit of things. We're going to make something that most of us Hispanics, Latinos like to drink. Some of us. Okay, I don't know if everyone knows about this, but coquito. This is a Puerto Rican holiday alcoholic beverage. If you want to say maybe like the Hispanic or Latino, whatever, eggnog. Yeah, it's alcoholic though. So I'm making a Nutella Coquito, and I'm going to show you how you make this. This is a super simple recipe, nothing out of this world. A lot of people do it in different kind of ways. My recipe that I like to follow is very simple, like nothing crazy. I know some people like to add egg to it. I don't. So I'm gonna show you what this one brings. So first, 1 can of evaporated milk. This is about 12 ounces. You're gonna need the whole can. Then we're going with the leche condensada or condensed milk. It doesn't matter what brand, I don't think it matters, but this is about 14 ounces. You're gonna need the whole can. I know, it's sweet, but don't worry. Then we got crema de coco. It doesn't have to be Goya, there's different brands, but this is kind of like the one that most people use. So this is about 15 ounces and you will need the whole can. Then we're going with the coconut milk. Again, doesn't have to be Goya brand. I know some of you out there feel a certain way about Goya, it's okay. But this is about 13.5 ounces. Again, whole can. That is the basic ingredients for the coquito. And then you can add the Bacardi. But this time we're doing a little bit different, and I want to add some Nutella. So for the Nutella, I'm going to add about a cup. It depends. The recipe I follow says about a cup, but it just depends on how chocolatey you really want it. So we'll see. I think a cup is good for me. I did it the other day and it was actually pretty good. And then after you do all that, you add the alcohol. So let's go do this. So then we can go set up the tray, but get into the spirit with a nice little Christmassy holiday drink. So let's go blend everything together. Alright, so here we are adding the coconut cream. I was also filming a TikTok at the same time, so don't judge me for that. You have to, sometimes with that coconut cream, I don't know why, but it's like, sometimes it comes out like chunky, like, I don't know. But just to get it out with a spoon. Then we're adding the coconut milk, the condensed milk. Everything is one whole can, so it's pretty simple. Like, you can't go wrong with it. Then the evaporated milk. Again, you're gonna see me filming a TikTok at the same time, or whatever. Go follow me on TikTok at the Just Leon. And then the Nutella. So the Nutella, we do a full cup. I don't think I measured it like fully that 1 cup, so I feel like at the end it was kind of missing a little bit more Nutella. So I would definitely like try to do a whole full cup, or maybe a little bit over a cup. That way you get more of that Nutella taste. Then you have to dump some out so you can actually mix in the Bacardi. The Bacardi is 1 cup. I did a little bit over 1 cup, but I mean, I would also add a little bit more. And then it's supposed to be chilled, but I added ice because I wanted to try it. So there it is. So here it is. Let's try it out. I can't really see it. It's not focusing on it. Pretty simple. You're supposed to let it chill in the refrigerator, but I wanted to try it, so I put ice in it. You probably shouldn't do that, but it doesn't matter for this sake. So it's good. Maybe a little bit more Bacardi, but that's just my opinion on this one. So I did a little over than a cup, a little more than a cup, so maybe 2 wouldn't be so bad. Try it out, let me know what you think. Super simple, super easy recipe. And if there's any other flavors that you want me to try out, I haven't tried any other flavors. I know some people like the pistachio. I don't know, but let me know if you want me to try it out. Comment down below if you tried it, what you think, and maybe we should do like a coquito series. So let's decorate the tree.